In the name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student of class Inter. Dear students, as you noted in previous lecture, we covered the topic, the lesson spaceship. We also knew about its terminology, and we also knew about its character, and we also knew about its story. So in today's lecture, we will know about the answer to these questions. So my dear students, in first question, why is the spaceship traveling at only 70 miles an hour when Harry wakes up? Okay, so this is a question to ask, and we have to give the answer. So spaceship is traveling at only a 70 miles an hour when Harry woke up, because the spaceship was just entering the Sigma belt and William had reduced the speed by using the bow jet. William explained it that he did so for the last 4 hours to ensure the safe landing at the moon. क्योंकि हैरी वेकअप, क्योंकि मतलब वो उसने स्पीड को मतलब कम किया कि वो, क्योंकि वो लैंड कर रहे थे कहाँ पे, मून पे. When was the spaceship been to the moon before, and with what passengers? The spaceship has been to the moon just before the month of the present flight. It was the month of April because the date of the present flight has been mentioned as 1st of May. क्योंकि डेट कौन सी मतलब मेंशन की गई थी, 1st of May. There was no one on board except their 3 sheep. What is the relationship between Harry and Professor Whitney? Harry is engaged to Catherine, the daughter of Professor Whitney. He expects to marry her after their journey of spaceship. So, Professor Whitney was the father-in-law of Harry. What was the significance of Professor Whitney's chalking Noah's Ark on the second spaceship? The Professor Whitney chalked Noah's Ark on the bow of the spaceship because he was not hopeful of the safe return of this spaceship, just like the Noah's Ark. मतलब ये इसने चौकी कि उसको ये यकीन नहीं था कि अगर मे भी हम मतलब वापस ना मतलब लौटें, जैसे कि नूस आर्क जो शिप थी, बोट थी, वो भी ऐसे ही. What was the nature of the fear that the afflicted Professor Whitney, मतलब afflicted means suffered Professor Whitney during the night before the landing on the moon? He was dreamed in which he saw that the England is attacked and in which his daughter is being captured and killed. So he was dreamed in his night before landing that the England has been attacked by the enemy. Number 6, my dear students, what is Professor Whitney's attitude? The new type of society in which scientific and technical progress is the one thing that seemed to matter. Professor Whitney is discussed with the new type of society that the human beings will have to pay a heavy price for abandon their connection with art and devoting their whole energies to science. The new society gave more importance to science, so the time is near that the scientific invention will start organized modern of the universe. क्योंकि वो चाहते थे कि मतलब कि यहाँ डिस्ट्रक्शन होगी, वार होगी, और अगर ज़मीन पे, इवन लैंड पे अगर वार होती है तो यूनिवर्स पे हम जा सकते हैं और वहाँ सेव हो सकते हैं. How has England come to be defenseless? डिफेंसलेस क्या हुए कि मतलब उनमें इतनी वीक भी कह सकते हैं हम, कमज़ोर कैसे हुई, मतलब उनमें एबिलिटी क्यों नहीं कि खुद को डिफेंड कर सकी. England came to be defenseless because it was attacked by nuclear weapon at night time and it remained unaware about it. Okay, so My dear students, these were the questions about the lesson. So further 3 questions. What disaster has fallen England during the night? So dear students, Professor Whitney dreamed that during the night time enemy had attacked England through nuclear weapons. There are poisonous gases in the sky and nothing could survive due to the oily fog spread out by the enemy. How has Catherine survived the poison gas attack? Catherine survived the poison gas because she had slept in the gas-proof lab of Professor Whitney. Actually, it was decided between them that they will talk on 1st May when the spaceship was to land on the moon. Why does her father instruct her to kill herself? Because her father instructed her to kill because she could not be captured or killed. So Catherine took the poison and died there. So my dear students, these were the questions of the lessons, and now you can also go through the lesson and you will well understand the lesson. So now today's assignment homework is, you can choose any topic from the given number from the given 4 points on book page number 116. एन एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द स्पेसशिप लिख सकते हैं इस पर. हैज स्पेस ट्रेवल इन रियल वैल्यू द ह्यूमन रेस, द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ऑफर्ड बाय साइंस, द डेंजर्स टू मैन कैन क्रिएटेड बाय साइंस. ये लास्ट टॉपिक इंपॉर्टेंट भी हो सकती है आपके लिए. यू कैन ऑल्सो मे राइट एन एन. दिस इज होमवर्क फॉर यू. ओके, सो द रिमेनिंग एक्सरसाइज विल बी डन इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. इंशाल्लाह वी विल सी यू. I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you, my dear students.